Hi everyone, I'm Elaine Watson, Global Education Director at Light Elegance. I am so excited to be here today to introduce the newest, latest, and greatest to the products offering at Light Elegance, our BlinkTips. The reason that we call these BlinkTips is because you can get your service done in a blink. So the great thing about BlinkTips is if you have a client who just needs a set for a short period of time, maybe it's prom or a wedding, you can apply the BlinkTips using our award-winning JimmyGel system. Then you're able to soak them off and go back to doing natural nail manicures. Using LE Pro Cleanser and LE Pro Cleansing Wipes, cleanse the natural nails thoroughly. LE Pro Cuticle Pusher. Push back nail folds with LE Pro Cuticle Pusher and remove cuticle tissue from the nail plate. LE Perfect File. Prep the natural nails with a very light touch using a 100/180 grit LE Perfect File. Cuticle detailing can also be done using the LE Zippy E file and the Z-Bits. Cleanse using LE Pro Cleanser and LE Pro Cleansing Wipes and remove all dust and debris from the nails. BlinkTips Soft Gel Services in a blink. Pre-measure and make any adjustments to fit the BlinkTips to the natural nails. P+ Cutie Base. Apply P+ Cutie Base to the natural nails in a thin, even layer. Cap the free edge. Cure 60 seconds in the LED dot curing lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Tap. Flip the BlinkTip over and apply tack sparingly in the area that will be in contact with the natural nail. Cure 60 seconds in the LED dot curing lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. Clear JimmyGel. Apply a thin, even coat of clear JimmyGel to the natural nail. It is important you do not apply too much gel or risk overflowing on all sides as the blink tip is applied. Cap the free edge. Place the base of the blink tip near the cuticle area of the nail plate and gently rock it down onto the nail, allowing the JimmyGel to slowly press forward toward the free edge of the natural nail. While holding the tip in place, flash cure using a FlashDot curing lamp for 10 seconds. Cure 60 seconds in the LED dot curing lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. The blink tips are now ready for decoration. Have fun!